From a measurement analytics standpoint, we want to figure out how we're going to weave that into our program. So again, keeping in mind what the GPT spit out for you in terms of leading and lagging indicators, the baseline, the targets, we also start to propose what the program rollout is going to look like. So what pieces of content are we going to be building? What documentation and training are we putting together? And ensure that the viewership is going to lead to the behavior change. So inside programs, you can set what they call their success metrics. And these are targets and configured goals for the program itself. So if you click on this to edit metrics, this is where you can figure things like the content views, page views. When we build out lessons, so these are going to be the learning paths, the structured learning paths that we'll put together. We want to see completion data. We want to know the interactivity. Think of this as broad level engagement. We're going to create pages, content, learning paths, tutorials, and we want to measure those assets and how our audience is interacting with them. You can even do things like drill this down into keyword searches as well. So in meetings, making sure that these words are brought up if there's internal meetings, things like that. If you're doing any kind of live sense, again, that's more kind of external facing, but you can look at those as well. And so you can track all of these sort of things in here. So now as I begin to add pages, documentation, training content, lessons, it's going to be added into this specific program. So in the following steps, we're actually going to be creating the documentation, building the training content. But if you had other content in here, like other guides, playbooks, things of that nature, you can attach those right from your library, your device, if you've got, want to upload content here, or specific pages and things you want to create right from this site as well. But in a nutshell, the program is basically going to be an overarching shell you're adding content to in various different types, and just know that you're going to be able to measure the success and the interactivity and the engagement of that content within this program.